Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Kia Forte 5. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call